What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted campaign on Facebook ads. So let's get started. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com, and after that you will be redirected to the sign up or login dashboard of Facebook. From there, if you are new to Facebook, you just need to sign up with your email, password and the credentials to create your new Facebook ad account or Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, you just simply need to log in and then you will be automatically logged in to the Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the right side at the top, you can see this waffle-like icon. Click on it and then click on this add option. After clicking on that Ads tab, you will be redirected to your campaigns of Google Ads. From here, you will see your recent campaigns, and when you click on this top search bar, a filter tab will open, and then from the filter, you need to select the filter of deleted or recently changed. And when you select the filter, campaign is deleted, so this will show you all the deleted campaigns. And after opening all the deleted campaigns, you will see the option to duplicate. So just simply select the campaign that you want to reinstall or republish to your Facebook ad, and after selecting, click on this duplicate. So a new campaign with new name but with the old features of that campaign will appear. So that is all the same, but there's just a new name to that campaign, but the same name. And after creating your new campaign with the new name but the same details, voila, you have successfully created and recovered a deleted campaign from Facebook ads. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.